It was an awesome trip. Had the cruise set on 80 all the way until we took the wrong turn. Yeah, took the wrong turn, went like an hour out of the way. Then I'm like, what the heck? I don't remember this. So Rob GPS'd it. He's like, dude, we went like an hour out of the way. So we had to cut a U-turn.
Then we had that turtle that we
I know. Dude, we had to cut through the median because our next turn was like freaking 15 miles up. So I'm like, I cut through the median. There's a huge turtle right there. So I yanked it over to miss that. Dude, almost caused a freaking wreck. It was awesome.
But it's worth it.
Hey, we're here now, brother. Yes, I'm wound up. Let's go look at this, man. LS Fest, baby. Woo! That thing's sweet. I love it. Are you gonna have that out cruising tonight? Dude!
I have about that much methanol left, so.
What's it sound like?
Oh, it's stupid. Yeah, it's just ridiculous.
That's cool, man. I like it a lot. Dude, how do you beat LS Fest? This is the coolest thing we go to every year. This is the first time for Justin and Rob, but I guarantee it won't be their last. This is freaking awesome. Is it not awesome?
This is awesome.
LS Fest is probably the best thing you all can go to. You got car show, racing, freaking off-road deal. It's awesome. Look, everything here is cool. Everything. Sure, your turn. And what do you think about that truck, Rob?
Oh, I love it. Yeah, got the stack, suicide door.
We need one
laid out like this. Yeah, this would be perfect.
Oh yeah.
Maybe they'll take a couple $100 for it.
Oh, you're filming too? Okay. That is cool, ain't it?
Laid out.
Hey Justin, would you like a pillow? Woo! It's an earthquake! Are you having problems peeing? Woo! Drive it. I think you push the button. Ready? Ready? 1, 2. Hold the button, moron. Boom. Oh, I beat you. All right, hold the button again. Hold the button again. All right, you ready? 1, 2. Oh, dude, you suck at this game. One more time. One more time. 1, 2. Bam. Oh, I red went. Dang it. Dude, I wouldn't have beat you on that anyway. We'll do it again. All right, ready? Oh! He sucks at that game. They're giving away free fuel.
No, I'm not.
Oh, yeah. Hey, tell them what your all's deal's going on here. We'll put you on our channel.
Yeah, okay.
What kind of deal is this, man?
Okay, yeah, we got all kinds of race fuel.
Yeah, are you nervous on the camera?
Yeah,
okay, go ahead.
Is that normal?
Yeah.
Okay.
You look nervous.
Yeah,
race
I
fuel?
am. Yeah.
You got race fuel?
Yeah, petrochemical blends only.
What else you got?
Yeah, anything from a 93 to 123 octane.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, leaded, unleaded, ethanol blends.
So there, do you all sell it? Can you like buy it online?
You can't buy it online.
No, you just gotta buy yours?
We're working on it.
All right, tell them your name.
Braden.
Yeah.
Renegade Race Fuel.
Heck yeah. Oh my gosh, I love these Chevelles.
I am Groot.
That's right.
That's freaking awesome. Good grief. How cool is that? twin Terpskis on that sucker. I bet she rolls. Hey, Justin, let's get a Chevelle and put twin Terpskis on it. Be cool. What's up, dude? You're looking skinny, son. Oh, I see that all the time, dude. Watching it here, but I don't know what. Hey, Justin, this white truck here is naturally aspirated for 13 or 16 or something like that. Makes 590 to the wheels.
No,
How cool is that? And it's a stick. Isn't that awesome?
that's the kind of stuff we like.
I love it, baby. Dude, that thing's awesome. You got an LS in there? Not yet. Yeah, it's so cool. Cool ride, buddy.
Thank you.
100% screen accurate. That's pretty cool. Thank you.
You guys are awesome. You even got shoes in there?
The shoes were used on screen as well as the sunglasses. Yep. So, if you have Facebook or Instagram, definitely check us out.
Yes.
We do everything from full restorations, classic car builds, movie cars. We've done the Fast and Furious Eclipse, the Fast and Furious Supra, the Dom's Charger from the Fast and Furious.
Dude. You put a blower and stuff on it?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
It was Gen 3 Hemi swapped with a Whipple supercharger. It had the BDS blower on it that actually spun. There's a video of it playing. If you get on our YouTube channel, you can.
So this is YouTube?
So.
That's awesome,
it's
man.
on there, yeah. So our YouTube channel, we don't really spend a lot of time because we're always building cars.
Yeah.
But, yep.
Man, nice to meet you guys, dude.
This car, as far as like screen accuracy goes,
Oh.
You got a horn. Don't forget you got a horn.
You squeal tires if you lean back. Huh? Yeah, it'll squeal that tire right there if you lean back. Three. Yeah, you can get that down real quick. Bang it. Oh, you know the black car.
Black car.
Look out, boys! Woo! Holy crap, this thing's awesome! Oh, I love it. You guys are so awesome. You guys. See you guys. Heck yeah, boy! Woo! I love it. Love it. Hey, what's for supper? I'm ready to eat, man. It costs like $30 for a corn dog here. Raw. Look at this Frankenstein, dude. Look at that.
He's so wound up, we can't even keep up with him.
Hey, you boys got an LS in that thing?
Why not?
Oh, you're freaking awesome, dude. Hey, seriously, dude, appreciate you.
Hey, no problem.
Give this guy a card. We got a YouTube
We'll throw you
channel.
on the channel.
All right, cool.
Yeah, dude.
Sounds good.
Hey, appreciate it, man.
All right.
Thanks, dude.
Heck yeah. Free water, baby. Thanks. Oh, love it.
All thanks to Cam Motion.
Heck yeah. Hey,
Oh, go ahead.
free water. Thanks for that, guy.
How's your water, Justin?
Here. I've still got some. Sure? Yeah. Hey, thanks, buddy. I'm tired of working on my motor all the time. Let's just go buy a motor from Hot Rod Company.
Sure.
Heck yeah. Y'all got any motors you sell me?
Got a couple right here.
Heck yeah. Let's do the deal, brother. Heck yeah. What's your name?
Josh.
Josh?
TJ.
Heck yeah. We're going to go buy a motor from these dudes. That'd be cool in my little truck.
By a guy that owns the place. And you know that because I'm real loud.
These dudes are awesome. We just made some good friends right here, huh? Heck yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Come visit these guys. They're freaking awesome.
Very different racetrack. It's so historical. I've never been here before. I should.
Hey, nice to meet y'all.
We want to hear
Perfect.
you.
This is our style, dude. Seriously, when we start making money, I want to get a truck like this, black it out, slam it, put something cool, LS in it, for real.
With our invitation. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you have not done so, please rise.
Dude, we got the same shirt on. Look at this.
Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah, brother. This dude's awesome. I just made a friend.
So between myself and my son, we're in probably over 100 Facebook groups for drifting.
Oh, wow.
And I've posted pictures of it, and asked people, if they've ever seen it. Half the people don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Secondly, they say, I've never even heard of one drifting, much less seen one.
Yeah.
What does it do?
I ain't never seen one now that you say it.
Yeah, then I'll post a video of it drifting. They're like, check this out.
Yeah. So this is the only one. I mean, nobody else has got one.
Not that we found. We've not found one.
So what do you have in this?
This one is actually just a regular LS1. Pro Char's got a pretty good cam in it.
Dang.
This is actually his Camaro engine.
Cool.
We're getting ready to get a really big hot engine in it.
Really?
Yep. And we're also going an alcohol carburetor.
Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah.
They're already fast.
What's it got?
A Pro Charger on it. A new vet with a Pro Charger. They're already fast. Imagine how fast that thing is. For real.
Stupid.
Dude,
what are you guys doing?
we're freaking hot, dude.
We've been here 30 minutes.
Yeah, no, we've been here longer than that. We've been walking around and we're wore plumb out, dude.
We're way too fast for
But
this stuff.
here's the deal. We're going to go watch them jump and stuff on that off-road thing. And we got halfway and wore out. We're going to sit here and drink some water. We got some free water thanks to Kevin Miller. He bought some and we put it in the cooler.
But you still ate twice, though, haven't
Oh, we have. Yeah, twice. Yeah, it was twice.
At least.
We're going to eat supper tonight too, son. What are you doing? Just walking around filming?
I am.
It's a film guy for you.
Waiting
Love
on you
it.
guys to do something, so.
Oh, we're getting
Have
ready
something
to,
to film.
brother. Heck yeah.
Sweating, that's what we're doing.
We're going to take a nap.
I can get these guys up. We'll go in.
We'll
some
be
more.
up in a half hour.
More like an hour.
Hey, if you're not subscribed, why not? It's free, baby. You get to see all the crazy stuff we're seeing for free. Love it, baby.